Born April 10, 1947, in the 9 Mile district of Jamaica's St. Ann Parish, Livingston was a friend of Marley from a young age. Following the death of Marley's father, Neville, in 1955, Marley's mother, Cedella, lived with Livingston's father, Thaddeus, in Trench Town, making Bunny and Bob near stepbrothers. While Marley and Livingston were being mentored by Joe Higgs, the godfather of reggae, they met Higgs' fellow student Peter Tosh. The then trio ventured to Kingston. Soon after, they were joined by singer Junior Braithwaite and backup vocalists Beverly Kelso and Cherry Smith. Following a string of name changes that included the Teenagers and the Wailing Wailers, the Wailers aligned with Cox and Dodd's sound system and Studio One label, which employed songwriters and producers like Lee Scratch Perry and Jackie Matu, and released the Marley-penned Simmer Down, a #1 hit in Jamaica. Braithwaite, Kelso, and Smith soon departed the Wailers, leaving the nucleus of Marley, Livingston, and Tosh intact. That trio recorded the band's debut LP, 1965's The Wailing Wailers, a collection of tracks the band recorded during the mid-60s. While Marley and Tosh served as the Wailers' primary singers and songwriters, Livingston played an indispensable role in providing harmonies to the trio's songs. The Wailers next teamed with Perry and his Upsetters for 1970's Soul Rebels and 1971's Soul Revolution. Around that time, Livingston wrote and recorded one of his signature songs, Dreamland, a track he revisited when he released his solo LP Black Heart Man in 1976. Following his exit from the Wailers, Livingston, now known as Bunny Wailer, began work on his solo album Black Heart Man. While he took a back seat creatively in the Wailers, the LP allowed Wailer to establish himself as his own artist, with Wailer writing, producing, and singing lead on the entirety of Black Heart Man, which also featured contributions from Wailer's band mainstays and reggae legends like Sly and Robbie and Aston Family Man Barrett. The album included songs like Dreamland and Burning Down Sentence, which was inspired by his prison stint. The tracks that were done in Black Heart Man were very symbolic and significant to this whole development of reggae music, Wailer told Reggaeville in 2017. I really consider Black Heart Man to be one of those albums that the universal reggae world should be focused on. Black Heart Man marked the beginning of a prolific and fruitful solo career for Wailer, who would win the Grammy for Best Reggae Album 3 times in the 90s, for 1991's Time Will Tell, a tribute to Bob Marley, 1995's Crucial Roots Classics, and the 1997's All-Star Hall of Fame, a tribute to Bob Marley's 50th anniversary.